So what we're doing now is after we've created these systems using y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, we're going to combine our first two systems and we're going to multiply the second one by -1. That's going to give us the c's cancel out and the a's cancel out, and we're left with b is equal to -12. So we take our b is equal to -12. So as we do that, we come up with the following expressions after substitution, and then we are going to move this expression over here. Here we go. So we're going to move this expression right here over here so that we can put it together and eliminate another variable. So we're going to take -2 equals a plus c, which is from up here. We are going to alter our equation here by multiplying everything through by -1. That gives us 47 is equal to -16a minus c. And look at here, we get 45 is equal to -15. Whoops, what is that? Let's change it to what it is, an a. So once we divide through by -15, we come up with a is equal to -3. So you would want to follow my hand signals. So after we have this set up, we're going to take our two equations. We are going to substitute in -4 for c, and we are going to simplify. And this is what we get. -4 is equal to 4a plus 2b. And we're also going to substitute -4 into the last equation, which is -16 equals 16a plus 4b minus 4. Once we simplify, we're going to bring it over here, and we're going to try to eliminate another variable. What we're going to do is we're going to take this expression, this equation, and multiply it by -4. And so we get 16 equals -16a minus 8b. And then when we simplify, we find out that b is equal to -1. So voila, we have another variable. All right, so in black, we have our system set up. We're going to come over here, and we're going to take the first equation, write it in red. We're going to take the second equation and multiply it by -1. And when we add down, we get 5½ is equal to -3a minus b. So then we're going to come over here, and we're going to take our second equation, and we are going to combine it with the equation here after we multiply by -1. So that everything will change. This allows us to eliminate another variable, and the variable we're eliminating is c. So now we have -3 is equal to -12a plus 6b. We are going to take those two equations that we eliminated c and bring those together. We're going to bring the first one down, and then the second one, as you can see, we're going to multiply it by -4 so that we can get rid of another variable. When we do that, we get -25 is equal to 10b, and we divide by 10 and we simplify, and we get b is equal to -5/2. Here we take b is equal to -5/2, and we substitute it in. We do the same thing over here. B is equal to negative 5 over 2, and we substitute it in for our equation. We're going to take those two and bring them together. We're going to multiply the second one by negative 1 so that we can eliminate a variable. We get down to 3 is equal to negative 3a. We divide both sides by negative 3, and now we have another variable, which is a is equal to negative 1.